In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Klaviyo Signup form to your Shopify store. This process is a great way to use email marketing to engage your customers and grow your business. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get everything set up smoothly. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you don't have one already, you can go ahead and create one on Klaviyo's website. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard. You'll notice on the left-hand side a tab labeled Sign Up Forms. Click on that. This section is your hub for creating and managing all of your forms. Now, let's go ahead and click the Create Sign Up Form button. You'll have a variety of templates to choose from, so select one that fits the aesthetic of your brand. This step is essential because it will impact the first impression you make with your customers. Once you've found a template you like, click Create to open the form editor. In the form editor, you can customize various elements of your sign-up form, such as the text, colors, and images. Take some time to make sure the form aligns with your brand's look and feel. A pro tip here is to keep the form simple and easy to understand, making it more likely for customers to sign up. Next, look for the section labeled Success Message. This is where you can personalize the message that appears after someone submits their email. Make this message warm and welcoming, perhaps with a thank you and a brief mention of what they can expect in their inbox. Once you're happy with all your customizations, click Publish, which will make the form live and ready to capture those email addresses. The next step is to integrate this sign-up form with your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin and in a new tab, navigate to Apps. You'll want to find and install the Klaviyo app from the Shopify App Store if you haven't done so already. Having the Klaviyo app installed in Shopify ensures that all collected emails are automatically synced to your Klaviyo account, making it easier to automate your email marketing campaigns. Once the app is installed, you'll need to link your Shopify store to Klaviyo. Head back to Klaviyo's dashboard, find Settings, and then Integrations. Here, you should see Shopify listed. Select it and follow the steps to provide the necessary permissions. This action will link both platforms seamlessly. Finally, as everything is set up, go back to your website's theme editor. Often found under Online Store, select Customize. Here, you can add your Klaviyo sign-up form to a location on your Shopify store's homepage that ensures maximum visibility. Strategic placement could be in the footer, sidebar, or even as a pop-up. And there you have it. You've successfully connected a Klaviyo sign-up form to your Shopify store. This connection will help you build a comprehensive email list, allowing you to engage customers with personalized marketing efforts. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is consistency and authenticity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.